Today, take a look at the DISEN bolt extractor set. Okay, we can see that these are all these spiral extractors, and they actually go down. We have a ton of different sizes on here. You can see it covers even fractions of a millimeter. So we got 6, 6.2, 6.5, 6.7, 7, 7.2, 7.5, 7.7, 8. That covers a ton of different measurements, which is important in the event that you got a bolt that is somewhat rounded out. You're already going to have some of that material removed, so you can actually match up exactly what that's going to be with the material removed. So that's very nice. So it goes from a 6 millimeter up to a 19 millimeter or 3/4. We also have a couple of punches, so we can use that after this locks onto a bolt. Sometimes it can be hard to extract that bolt, so we can take the punch, drop it through the back, tap that with a hammer, and knock that bolt out. So there are 2 different punches depending on the size. So some of these are going to be smaller. So we would of course need the smaller punch for that. You can see that is a 1/4 inch drive, and that does come with a 1/4 inch drive adapter. We also have a 3/8 drive, and that is going to be for our larger size extractors. Everything is well labeled on the case, and if we take a look at the extractor, we can see that it's also nicely labeled on the extractor itself, 5/8 or 16 millimeter equivalent, and that is chrome molybdenum. You can also see we got a knurled grip right there, so you can grab that guy with your fingers, and good looking sharp teeth on that extractor.
So here I've got a bolt with a head that is naturally round. Just going to tap that with a hammer, get those teeth started. There we go. Now sometimes we can just kind of wobble it off, but I think this time it's actually just going to be locked on there. We've got a very solid bite on that bolt. We're going to use our punch, drop that in there, and tap that out. If you look at that bolt, you can see where the teeth were biting into there, and we can look at the condition of the teeth on that extractor. So they still look brand new. This is still in very good condition. So if you're looking for a way of removing bolts with rounded off heads, it's going to be an excellent set for that.